Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way to get a really spicy application to your Firestick. By the way, it's totally free and does not even require a mouse toggle, so it's super easy to use on the Fire TV Stick devices or Android TVs. And the first thing you need to do is get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll need to go to search on your device. There it is, click on the magnifying glass, and then on that search bar, which has just appeared on your screen. So we click on search, and then in that search bar, we need to type entering Downloader. As you can see, there was even no need to enter whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we'll go to settings, so let's do it. Go to the right side and click on that button with a gear icon. Then you have to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. Here you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have just appeared right here in the list. So now you need to open developer options right here. Make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. Here from the list of apps, locate Downloader and make sure to turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here we got the Downloader, which is kind of set up and ready to use. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Estonia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your computer or your phone, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you 3 months of service for free. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we open the Downloader application. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And then here in that search bar, we need to enter a code, which is going to be 2890 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make a mistake, your code is not going to work. Then you have to click on Go and wait until the website opens up for you. It will take a couple of seconds. Then a website is going to open up, which you need to scroll down. And you gotta keep scrolling until you see that category with the heart icon. So let's click on it. And then a huge list of apps is going to open up for you, but here's the one which you actually need to click on. You can see the app name on the screen. I will not pronounce it because YouTube may not like it, but just make sure to click on the same application name. So we click on it, and then probably some kind of ad is going to open up for you, which you have to click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you actually. So yeah, just click on close or on X depending on what kind of ad you actually see. Then a new web page is going to open up, which you also need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. That's the button which we need to use to download the app. However, if for some reason it does not work and the download does not start, you can always use the backup download links, which are actually 2 of them here, which are just below the usual download buttons. But here for the video, we'll be using the main download button, so we click on it and wait until download starts. Usually it takes a couple of seconds to download the app, unless you have a really slow internet. Then click on install and wait until the app is installed to the Fire Stick device or Android TV. And then do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore on your device. However, it will save us some space. So we click on delete and then delete once again. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. Then you need to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find the Spice application which we just installed. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case it will not be blurry. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected and set up to stay out of trouble. Once again, you can use my link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. It's an amazing deal, so make sure to use it. And see you next time. Bye bye.